How to contact Lyft by phone number. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can contact Lyft by their phone number. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to contact Lyft via their phone number, what you have to do is just go ahead and then actually open up your browser, right? And once you open up your browser in Google, you simply want to type in Lyft phone number. So just go ahead and type in Lyft number or support anything as such. When you type in Lyft number, you'll basically see the number pop up at the very top of the screen. Now 855 is basically the country code, and you have 8659553, which is also basically their customer line number. So you can see it says, how do I speak to someone at Lyft? If you prefer to call support, you can contact their helpline at 855-865-9553. And if you want, you can also go to help.lyft.com over here and then just contact them regarding an issue rather than blatantly calling them out. But if you still want to call them, as I said, I will leave the number down in the description box as well. This is simply how you can contact Lyft by phone number. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.